Hi guys, it's Shannon. We've already taken in 34 dogs.
Mama
and
cat
14
just
cats.
gave birth to kittens
just
here at
pulled
the shelter.
over on the side of the
We just got hit with a hoarding case of more than 40 dogs.
Is there anything I can do to help?
For 50 years, Acadiana Animal Aid has answered the continual call for help throughout Louisiana. From community members advocating for neglected, injured, and abandoned animals to often overcrowded and under-resourced municipal shelters, making a final, desperate plea to save a life. Over the last 50 years, our mission has remained the same: to save the lives of companion animals who are the most at risk. We continue to be a leading voice in animal welfare and advocacy while advancing our medical capabilities, increasing the life-saving potential for the most fragile animals who previously had no future. Even when they arrive here, their journey is far from over. We support their battle against deadly diseases, critical injuries, and ailments, all while beginning to mend their often broken spirits.
Every one of these animals means something to us.
The shelter is stress, no matter how hard you try, so we really make it as happy as we possibly can.
And every soul in our care comes with a story.
She was a nursing mom, litter of 5, just dumped on the side of the road. I was told we were going in for 5 cats, and there were 47.
I gathered up that mama and babies, and I'm taking them to safety. It was very sobering, not something I had ever experienced before.
We always find a way to fit more.
We are giving them their first breath of fresh air and a promise at life.
The price of keeping that promise for even a single day at Acadiana Animal Aid can produce a staggering figure. Heartworm disease, parvovirus, panleukopenia, amputations, enucleations, ringworm, respiratory infections, and so much more. But when we push through the hard days and find those happy endings on the other side, when we share in their resilience and we see the joy between a pet and their new family, a story that almost didn't happen, all of the noise fades away. We're reminded of why we've been here for 50 years and why we will continue to answer the call for many, many more. With your help, we can continue to rescue them and create more happy endings until they all have a home.